ALFOplus80HDX installation using Arkivator-SIAE Antenna. Supplies needed: general Arkivator antenna installation instructions and CI specific mount instructions, which are found in the box. Parabolic dish: it is a good idea to keep the antenna in its cardboard wrap during assembly to protect the radome from damage. Mounting hardware, which includes the pivot bracket, pipe attachment bracket, clamp bracket, and M8 bolts, nuts, and washers. CI specific ODU mount with M8 bolts and washers. Torque wrench: for this video we will be using a regular wrench. ALFOplus80HDX polarization kit, part number V60707. First, we will show the vertical installation. Place the antenna with the mounting holes on the side. Install the ODU mount with the mount standoffs pointing outward and the V marking pointing upwards. Insert the 4 M8 by 20 mm bolts with washers. Tighten the bolts to 17 Nm. For vertical installation, the V marking on the ODU mount must be pointing upwards and the waveguide opening is as shown. If the antenna polarity is not set correctly, remove the two M4 hex bolts and rotate the feeder by 90 degrees to align with the V markings. Tighten to 2.6 Nm. Determine if a left or right side installation is required. For this video, we will be showing a right side installation. For a right side installation, attach the pivot bracket on the left side of the antenna using an M8 by 35 mm bolt with a flat washer. Leave it hand tightened until final alignment. Attach two M8 by 25 mm bolts with flat washers. Leave it hand tightened until final alignment. Attach the M8 link bolt using an M8 by 25 mm bolt with a flat washer. Leave it hand tightened until final alignment. Attach a nut and washer to the M8 link bolt as shown. Next, assemble the clamp bracket. Attach two M8 by 100 mm bolts and nuts. Tighten to 24 Nm. Affix the clamp bracket to the pivot bracket. Attach an M8 by 100 mm bolt with a flat washer and nut. Leave it hand tightened until final alignment. Use a flat washer and nut for the M8 link bolt. Leave it hand tightened until final alignment. Install the antenna at the desired location using the pipe attachment bracket. Insert a flat washer and nut. Tighten to hold the antenna in place until final alignment. Next, align the adapter from the polarization kit V60707 to vertical polarization. Remove the cover plate and set it to vertical polarization as shown. It is recommended to apply seal and lubricant grease to both the O-rings. Confirm that the antenna has been set to vertical polarization and remove the protection tape. Install the V60707 on the back of the antenna for vertical polarization as shown. Attach with the 4 screws as shown. For a correct vertical installation, the waveguide opening on the back is as shown. Next, install the ALFOplus80HDX radio on the antenna as shown. Insert the bolts and tighten. Now you are ready for antenna alignment. In this section, we will show the horizontal installation. The polarization kit V60707 is set to horizontal polarization by default. If not already set, remove the cover plate and set it to horizontal polarization as shown. It is recommended to apply seal and lubricant grease to both the O-rings. Set the antenna polarity to horizontal. Remove the 2 M4 hex bolts and rotate the feeder by 90 degrees to align with the H markings. Tighten to 2.6 Newton meters. The waveguide opening must be as shown when the antenna is set to horizontal polarity. Install the V60707 on the back of the antenna for horizontal polarization as shown. Attached with the 4 screws as shown. For a correct horizontal installation, the waveguide opening on the back is as shown. Install the ALFOplus80HDX radio on the antenna as shown earlier for vertical installation. Now you are ready for antenna alignment. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please check out our YouTube channel.